Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this. Yep, that's right. Today I'm going to show you how to set a custom ringtone for your iPhone. Let's start. Now, let's see how to get the custom ringtone on our iPhone. Now, open Safari or any other browser that you would want to use, and just look for the MP3 file that you would like to use. I want to use this one, so we'll click play. Just so you get the gist of it. Now, you click the download button on the website. On this one, there's just a little countdown. Just give that its time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we have the file. We hit download. And now it's in my downloads folder. Now just press and hold on. Okay, just press and hold on the file. And then scroll down to the share button. Right over here. And now scroll down. Wait, now click on the share button over here and scroll down until you see the button that says use as ringtone. Click on it, and look, it takes you right to the settings, into the sounds, into the ringtones, and you can just tap on it. Very simple process. Hope you enjoyed the video. Comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. This is Lorenzo's Apple Stuff, rocking out. Bye-bye.